You spoke about how one challenge was differentiating yourself.
Right. I mean, I call this approach the inbound approach. The inbound approach is all about, understanding that companies relate with you for their needs, not for your needs or for your greatness. And in the traditional job search and job application journey, candidates are blowing their own trumpet. They're talking about how they are so great that they are the best fit. Well, guess what? You're speaking in a language that the company doesn't want to listen to. You need to be able to communicate, how your steak, how your totality is relevant and immediately usable for them. Because when you are able to apply the inbound approach appropriately, then what you're actually doing is you're marketing yourself. But to the person taking your interview, it doesn't feel like you're marketing yourself. To them, the feeling is, where were you my entire life? Why did I not meet you sooner? Okay, so being able to frame the issue in terms of their opportunities or their problems is critical, and that is the number one technique of how to differentiate yourself from everybody else.